Unlock significant savings on your Uniswap trades by mastering these essential gas fee reduction strategies. First, let's talk about gas price when transacting on Uniswap, the decentralized exchange built on Ethereum. You're essentially paying for the computational effort required to process your transaction on the blockchain. This is measured in gas in times of high network demand. Gas prices skyrocket. To combat this, we can strategically choose our gas price instead of accepting the default high recommendation from your wallet. Consider using a medium or even slow setting. You can access this by clicking on the edit or advanced gas options provided by your wallet before confirming a transaction. A lower gas price means your transaction might take a little longer to confirm, but it can dramatically reduce your costs. Secondly, timing is everything. Observe the Ethereum network's congestion levels. Websites like Etherscanio's gas tracker or various DeFi dashboards provide real-time data on gas prices. Aim to make your trades during off-peak hours, typically weekends and late-night hours in major time zones, when network activity is lower. This simple act of waiting for a less congested period can result in substantially cheaper gas fees. Third, optimize your transactions. If you're performing multiple small trades, consider batching them instead of executing several individual swaps. See if you can combine them into a single, larger transaction, while Uniswap itself doesn't batch transactions for you. This can be achieved by using more advanced trading tools or by carefully planning your trades to minimize the number of on-chain interactions needed. Finally, be mindful of approvals when you interact with a new token on Uniswap. You'll often need to approve the token for spending by the Uniswap contract. This approval is an on-chain transaction itself and incurs gas. If you're trading multiple new tokens, you'll need to approve each one. If you've already approved a token for a previous transaction, you won't need to approve it again. Be efficient and only approve what you intend to trade. By implementing these strategies, adjusting your gas price, timing your trades, optimizing your transactions, and managing approvals, you can significantly reduce your gas fees on Uniswap, saving you money and enhancing your DeFi trading experience.